In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload art on Redbubble. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you will have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to upload an art. And of course, if you want to do that, you can simply go at our account at the top right corner and click on sell your art. So here you'll have to create some products, set up this shop, and get paid. Simple. Of course, in order to do that, you'll have to add designs. In order to do that, you'll have to do this. In order to get paid, you'll have to do this. So make sure to do all of them. And of course, if you want to add an or upload art, simply you can click on add design, and that will take you to this page. Let's just wait a moment. So here you can upload your new work, click on it, and here that will take you to the gallery or the files of your PC to choose whatever art you would like to upload. As an example, let's say, an example, I want to upload this. So let's just wait until it's uploaded. So here is it, it's uploaded. Let's say, as an example, this is my work. So I can here choose where I want to upload my art, on shirts, on a pillow, on whatever it is. And of course, you can edit some of them or even disable some of them. Then you'll have to enter a title, which is required. You can add even a tags or description, and that is not mandatory. This is optional, but the mandatory thing is the title. Of course, you can even change the language, not just English. You have the Dutch, French, and Spanish. You can even change the background color. And once you finish, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of it and simply click on Save Work. Of course, they're telling me, is this major contents? No, does not include any nudity or adult stuff. So click on Save Work. Of course, we'll have to check this. I have the right to sell products containing this artwork and etc. Of course, for you, make sure to read that all. Click on Save Work. Oh, sorry, I have to input a title. I forgot about this. Just put it as a test and click on Save Work. So let's just wait for the proceed. And here we are. We uploaded our work. So of course, if you now want to start selling it, you'll have to connect your store and do the other stuff that I said in the beginning of this video. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.